What's up, everybody? High Rev 90, working on a 2019 Tacoma fender. You can see the reveal. I got the reveal pretty good there. I still got to put the bolts all back in, but I got it pretty tightened up. The reveal is pretty decent right there. Look, not bad. Just to give you guys some rough ideas, it's not easy. Tedious. Kind of easy, but tedious. I still got some bolting to do. You can see there. I got to tighten up everything. But what I noticed on this thing is I'm going to try to get it. Let me get this bag of clips out of the way. Need Toyota clips. I'm going to use some Nissan ones that I have for certain spots until we get the original Toyota ones in here. A couple of Toyota clips. Here we go. So let me try to not break the mirror with this plastic bag. Try to get this out of the way. Hard to see. Let me see. Can we get in there? Where is it? Ah, shucks. Really hard to see. Is that it? Where's that nut? Can we see it? Yeah, there it is. Right there. A little scarred up, but you can see that one bolt right there. We get these started. This one started. I'm having the best of luck. I got that one started. And then got this one started. And this is where I'm starting the alignment procedure. It seems to be working out pretty good. The rest of them, I'm just slowly buttoning them up. These brackets here, the sun's shining. There we go. That's a little better. Sorry about the sunlight. That bracket there, and then this bracket here, it was a minor collision. Nothing bad. The headlight's fine. Just smashed the the fender a bit. My buddy got a new fender. I'm doing it for him. Having to rebend these things, which Toyota did there we go. How's that? There we go. There we go. Look, rebending these brackets, kind of a pain in the butt. It can be done. There's one back there too. Here, right here. Look, this one back here, right where that bolt goes. Kind of. There you go. You get the gist of it. You're gonna have to tinker with it. Get this fender lined up pretty good. Just tinker, keep moving. You're gonna have to bend this lip on the fender here a little bit as you go along. As you go along where the bolts go in, you're gonna have to bend this a tiny bit too. Use your rag. Don't use any pliers or nothing. You're gonna mash up the paint, mar up the paint. And just bend this a bit, bend the brackets, and keep working at it. It's tedious work, but it's pretty easy. These, you're gonna have to pull off the old fender to put on the new one, and that's where this piece goes. This piece kind of locks into there. There's that push rivet. This actually goes. This goes somewhat like this. This goes kind of like so. If it'll stay there, that goes like so. Kind of snaps into these things a little bit. And fairly straightforward. That part, let's see, let me block some sunlight here. See if I can block some sunlight. This part off of the headlight broke in the collision. It cracked. When I'm putting it back together, we may get a new headlight from the junkyard. We'll see. But off of the headlight, there is this piece, and this is completely broken. So we're going to put it back together We're gonna have to omit this piece for, there's only one bolt that goes into there as far as I know. Maybe one right there, but anyway, it's basically the both on same sides, the same on both sides. But yeah, you just got to finagle these brackets. Toyota made them to where they're easily bendable without cracking the metal. And like I said, I cinched this one down because that seemed to be the best to get it. And then I've got to cinch down. And then I got to cinch down. Where is it? Right there, that one. Then I'm going to cinch that one down. And then cinch that one down. And then go along. These push clips where actual couple screw style bolts go, coarse thread bolts go into, they broke. I couldn't figure out how to pull those things out. They're buried in there. So I'm just going to use some Nissan clips, push rivets in the meantime until we get the original Toyota stuff. That's the best I can do for you here. It's tedious, but if you guys have any handyman skills, mechanic's inclination, you guys can do it. But again, mess with this bolt, this one right there, that one obviously I have pretty loose. This is the one I finally tightened up as I got this pretty close to the other side. And then that one's still loose, and I'm going to tighten that up. And again, you gotta finagle this lip right here to try to get everything to line up pretty good. And then give her a quick wipe and buff here. The rest are these Toyota clips. We gotta bend these up. The original Toyota clips are bent up 90 degrees. These brackets where the push rivets go into, these are actually bent upward on the other bumper, so I'm gonna have to bend these. And it comes, the new bumper comes this way, so you can finagle everything, you know. They give you the option of bending it the way you need to. Because if they bend it out of the factory, this bumper was made in Taiwan, so it's probably pretty decent. If these things are already bent, then you're already weakening the metal. This way you can bend it yourself and then line everything up and go from there. So had to undo the fender skirt, you know, the splash guard, a few of these. So you guys get the idea. There's a special push rivet kind of thing right here. So you guys get the gist of it. Undo your nuts and bolts and just go slow. Bend your brackets the way you got to bend them as you go along. And you guys will figure it out. High Rev 90. Sunny California. Finally getting sunny, springtime. Beauty. Look at this big oak tree hanging over me. Beauty. Look at that blue sky. I'm from Hawaii, but I love California. Beautiful place too. You guys take care now. High Rev 90. Peace. Aloha.